Para po to sa mga bagsak sa mga...
Aray ko, di ka bagsak.
Ay, naiyak ako.
Time, really think you spend time to find the perfect answers. You get yourself complicated and my mind is failing to get through those big numbers. So you look inside the tiny mind and then look a bit harder. Your teacher's gonna help you and leave you her next to help you solve the equation. Math is really, really fun. If you solve the again, then you'll know the triangle. So please just take your time. Math is really, really fun. Numerical functions and things are so fun to make. Then you have a jolly passing break. Still you struggle to count a dime that lay inside your pocket. Cause you're so uninspired, so sick and tired of all the failure you harbor. Do you really enjoy living a life without counting? Cause there's a whole way to know how to be in control, to prove you have the right answer. Math is really, really fun. If you solve the angle, then you know the triangle. So please just take your time. Math is really, really fun. Numerical functions and things are so fun to make. Then you have a jolly passing break. Math is. You learn that math is everywhere. You say we need to go to some school to learn a few lessons. There's some people like me that need some mastery on how to use mathematics. Math is really, really fun. If you know triangle, then you know that triangle. So please just take your time. Math is really, really fun. Numerical functions and things are so fun to make. Then you'll have a jolly passing break. Math is really, really fun.
Oh, break it down.